What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do stealth takedowns in Hogwarts Legacy. When you unlock the Disillusionment spell, which is called simply Disillusionment, it says it's perfect for sneaking or approaching enemies undetected to be able to cast Petrificus Totalus. This is the sneak takedown spell in Hogwarts Legacy. One of the quests even tells you how to do it. However, for me at least, sometimes my game just doesn't show me the key to press to do one of these takedowns. So, how do you? Well, over here is a Loyalist Warrior. I'll sneak up behind them, and when I get close enough, you'll notice the health bar changes from red to blue at the top of the screen, and it also tells me a key to press here. Now, sometimes this key just won't show up, and you'll wonder what to press. Essentially, it's your interact key. On PC, this is F. When we use it, it'll do a huge amount of damage, either getting rid of the enemy straight away, or it'll do a ton of damage, allowing the fight to be very easy later on. Previously, I saw things like this with just an X, and when I approached them, there wasn't a Petrificus Totalus notification, so anyways, that's how you do it. It's very simple. So that's about it for this very quick guide, so thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!